Hello, darling, and welcome to my home. If you're new here, I'm Rhonda, and welcome. But if you're a returning subscriber, I absolutely appreciate you coming back. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I am forever grateful that you decided to come back. So be sure to like and share this video with friends or family. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a clean with me, and I am going to be cleaning our entertaining area. With most of my home having a white aesthetic, I opted to create a space where we could relax, enjoy movies, and entertain. This space is on the third floor level of my home, and it has become a chill spot for my sons and their friends. When we purchased this home, this space was originally planned to be my home office, but after being up here for 3 months, I realized the space was way too large, so we opted to transform it into our entertaining area. And as you can see, it was this really bright yellow, and this bright yellow color was covering the walls of about 80% of my home. We have transformed each room by paint, decor, and things of that nature, but we're going to get into that later on in upcoming videos. I will be popping in to let you guys know exactly what I am cleaning, what I'm using, and things of that nature. So enough of all of this rambling, let's get right to cleaning. So I'm using a leather cleaner and conditioner to keep the leather seating in pristine condition. A little goes a long way, so I use it sparingly so it doesn't leave a greasy residue. I will leave it linked down below in the description box, as with all the other products that I'm using in this video. So be sure to check out the description box if you're interested in the products I'm using. When cleaning my home, I usually take my time and analyze my furnishings and decor to see if there's anything I need to prepare for on my next cleaning or if anything needs to be replaced. I try my best to take care of everything I have so it will last for a very long time. I have quite a bit of thrifted furniture pieces in my home that I've had for years, and you can't even tell because it's so well maintained. So take your time when caring for things in your home. Yes, this entire space has white carpet, and yes, there are a few stains here and there, but I just spot shampoo the problem areas when needed. I use a carpet deodorizer to keep it smelling good and to keep the space smelling refreshed. I love the aroma from using a carpet deodorizer because I do have a small dog, and she's usually up here with the boys and us when we're watching movies and stuff like that. So I like to keep something that kind of helps deodorize the room. When I put down my carpet deodorizer, it usually lasts for days on end. So I usually come up here, do a little bit of spot cleaning as well as vacuuming this area probably once a month. So I don't have to do it as often as I do when I'm vacuuming areas in the bedrooms and in my living room and my dining room because it's not as much traffic up here in this area. And I have been watching this new series on Netflix. It's called ICU. And honey, I am just addicted to watching this. But yes, if you have watched ICU, comment down below and let me know if you are enjoying it or if you would even be interested in watching ICU. It is more of like a thriller type of TV show, but I am addicted and I just need to finish it. And that is what I do in my free time. I'm usually up here watching Netflix and movies and all of that stuff. So I really, really enjoy this space. So if you see me glance up and look at the TV, it's because I'm watching ICU. And you might wonder, why am I putting these pillows on the carpet on the floor? And reason is my boys and their friends, usually when they're up here, they like to be on the carpet. I don't know why, but when you're younger, you're able to roll around on carpet. But honey, at this day and age, and my age, me and my husband, we don't roll around on the carpet. So I usually just put these pillows down here for my sons and their friends for when they come over and they like to be on the floor. And I also have these small these cubicle like areas where there's windows and there's also outlet plugs. They love to charge their phones and be in those areas in those window cubicles. So they usually just grab a pillow and they be over there in those corners as well. So I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to be a part of mine. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up and also like, comment, and subscribe. And also be sure to share this video. It really helps out my channel. And always remember, one day at a time, one chore at a time. Thank you again for tuning into this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.